Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another DIY video. How to fix your flat tire or tire that's leaking air and there's a nail in it. So I'm going to show you what to do and how to do it at home. Obviously, if you have a jack, you lift up your car, take the wheel out, and examine where the nail is. In my case, the nail is right there and is leaking. I went on Amazon and I bought this tool patching tool box kit. And basically, these are the patches that you will have to use to stick into this hole and plug it. And the key is to basically mark where the nail is, take the nail out, make a bigger hole, because this thing has to go inside your tire. And I will show you. You put one of those patches inside this opening right here, and you kind of have to stick it in and out where this hole is. It's a small nail, so we need to make this hole a little bit bigger for this to go all the way in. They have this tool right here. If you're on the road or somewhere, you don't have you don't have a drill to do this, you can definitely do this. You just have to use a little force, use your muscles. But I'm at home, so I'm gonna use my battery drill right here to make this hole as big as this head right here, so I can patch the tire fairly quickly. The good thing is the nail is right here, not on the side. If it's on the side, you kind of have no choice than to replace the tire. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to take the nail out, mark it, put the camera down somewhere so you can see, and just go from there. All right. With those idiots. But let's see if I can get this out. Well, as you can see, I took the nail out. It's not a big or long nail, but check it out. That's with a little bit, soap and water. I can tell that's leaking. And it wasn't a big leak. It was leaking 5 to 7 psi a week, but it was bugging me. So let's get this fixed. It's taking too long. Okay, I should have prepared one of these before. So all right, so this goes into this thing right here. All right. Get this out. this piece or the glue just cut. Whew, boy. All right, so another test. Yay. No more leak. But it was hard to put this glue in there, but just have to force it in. Well, that's how you patch your tire. Hope this video was helpful. And again, Amazon, 20 bucks for the kit, maybe less, maybe 10, 12 bucks. I don't know. I don't remember. I bought it a long time ago. And you saw how I did it. So I'm just gonna get an air pump and pump it up. Usually I do it to 34 psi. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and till next time, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.